Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina and I'm a 33-year-old cash budgeter here on YouTube. I have been cash budgeting for over a year, but officially here on YouTube for a solid year. So I am so excited to be here, and I am incorporating something new today that is 100,000% inspired by Cooper over at Purely Budgets. I think it is so fun, and this is the first video that I'm going to do. So you guys know I always preference at the beginning of the videos, we might be a hot mess over here because the first time me doing this, and yeah, I might actually do it completely wrong. So Cooper, I will receive any constructive criticism you may have over this process, but I want to go ahead and give it a try. So this is considered a mini Monday, and I have a new binder here that I have set up to house my mini Monday challenges as well as my freebie Fridays. I haven't done one of those yet. I don't know that I'm always going to do them. I just think this is fun to do off camera as well, just to have something to do and keep in my binders. I really thoroughly enjoy having cash in hand and playing these games and seeing my savings just rise. So if you don't know who Cooper is, definitely go down into the description. I have him linked always. And this whole process, I've just been watching him do it, and they're some of my favorite videos that he does. So this is my mini Mondays selection. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which I think he always starts with 6 for both mini Mondays and freebie Fridays. I feel like I'm just going to try to reference Cooper all the time because this is, you know, his thing. So here we go. We're going to just see how this goes. But basically, he lays them out like so. We're going to try to make this all fit. And I don't know, it may not. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's a little tight. Let me just readjust here and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is better. I don't believe I needed my cash tray, but you know, beginners over here, I'm a total noob. So here we go. I am going to be using my pink Sharpie. I just got this for Christmas and I'm so excited. So we're gonna have that there. And then the cash that I'm using is $50, but we're gonna give it a really quick count. And then I'm also gonna mix it up in here because I know Cooper does that too. He calls the 5s spicy 5s, and I think that's so freaking cute. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. So we do have the $50, and I'm just going to kind of shuffle these 5s in here. Okay, we'll do it like that and just go with the flow. Okay, so all of our cash is here. Then what I realized I didn't do for some of these is that they do not have amounts readily on them. So the ones that don't, I'll have to scratch these to see what they are, but we'll do that at the end. We have my Hot Mess Express here for $56. Each icon is $2. So we'll be able to knock out a few of those because we do it in 2s. This particular one is from Rachel Norrie, and I need to go ahead and set my goal on here. I think I want to make each one $2 as well. So 2, 4, 6, 12. Yeah, I'm just going to count it out loud. 14, 16, 18, hold on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Okay, so our goal is $30 for this one, and each icon is $2. So we'll do that with that one. And I can't remember if, I guess it doesn't like really matter, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out so maybe they can be seen a little bit better with them outside of like the frosted envelope. So this one is from Cooper over at Purely Budgets. This one is from my shop. This is Rachel Norrie's. This one is from Angie's Finance, and it's a coffee shop one. I think I'm also going to make each icon $2. So then we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 4, 6, 8, 30, 32, 4, 6, 8, 40. So we will save $40. This one's also from Angie over at Angie's Finance. I I don't know. I thought it was so cute. Didn't realize I had a double in here, but totally fine. So each one of these is $2. I'll save $20. And then this one is a Target Run freebie from Maddie over at Budget with Maddie. And each one of these actually says what it is. So the total savings on this one will be $50, but we may not, you know, knock out but one icon there, but that's totally okay. So next step, how I understand it, is we roll. And whatever we roll is the envelope that gets the money. So if I roll a 2, this gets the $2. If I roll a 6 and I have a 5, you know, this one gets the $5 and the $1. Does that, I don't even know if that makes sense. But you'll see as we get going, it is so fun. And I love like the idea of just mini savings and not always having to do like a big savings challenge. So that is what we're gonna do. We've got everything set up. Got our cash, got our dice. I think we're ready to go, Coop. Are we ready to go? So here's our first roll. And it's a 6. So $2 on 6. But anyways, that's a 2. How are you guys doing? How is life? Anything new? That's 4. So coffee shop gets our first spicy 5. Yay. Have y'all ever implemented this into your cash stuffing routine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna have to get used to this. I'm gonna have to count my envelopes every single time. I'm not joking, guys. 3. Ooh, spicy 5 there. 3. Oh my gosh, she's taking the money. That's a 4. But yeah, so I'm 6. I'm really excited to be doing this. I feel like it's a very fun way to save. Oh, that's a 1 also. And our last roll is going to be, okay, that is not good. 3. Okay, so now all of our money is divided. So then I believe we just stack it so that we can come back and see how much each envelope got. Okay, so I'm just gonna organize that a little bit. And I'm gonna sit down real quick. Okay, so for our first challenge and how much went into this one, we have for Target Run 5, 6, 7, 8, $8, and we actually do have an icon for $8. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill that in. Okay, super cute. Oh my gosh, my nails, insane. Okay, so we'll set that off to the side. Our next one is the December mini from Angie, and each one was $2, and we had $2. Okay, I'm just going to do the little rings of the candy cane. Cute. But yeah, I was totally inspired by Coop with this. I think that it is a fun way to save, and also like, I hadn't seen anybody do it quite this way, so I just wanted to try something new, and we'll see how it goes. So coffee shop has 5, 6, 7, and 8, and each one is 2, so we're gonna get to do a few of these. I think I'm just going to, I want to do this. I'm gonna do a little ring around the cups. There's 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, our next one is the savings challenge from Rachel Nori, which got, oh my gosh, it got 3 spicy 5s. So we are almost, I mean, we're like more than halfway there. Okay, so we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, we only need 10 more dollars for this one. That is insane. So I'm just going to put hearts on these. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, I'm messing something up. I might have miscounted this one. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. No, I messed up. So this is $20. There we go. And we just need $10 more for this one. Okay, the next one is going to be my savings challenge, which we did $2. So that is a single bow. And I think same thing, I am just gonna put, you know what, I could do it above the top. I just love my little bow. I don't want to do anything on the bow, so I'm gonna put a little heart there. Okay, and last but certainly not least, the guy behind the idea here, Cooper's Scratch Off. So I considered this a mini because it says $2 to $8 for each one. So let's just go ahead and get to scratching. Okay, and I have not gotten to bring out my scratch vacuum in so long, so here she is. This was gifted to me by one of my subscribers, Lena. Love that. And so the first one is $3. I realized I should probably know what I'm able to stuff here. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we could probably go ahead and scratch another one. Okay, so that's 5, $8. I need to at least do another. $9, $10, perfect. Okay, so that worked out this time. I don't know if it'll work out every time, but we scratched exactly what we saved. I feel like this dust stuff gets like literally all over the place, and then it likes to stick to your, look, it's right there too. All over the matte vellum, not matte vellum, the frosted envelopes. It always does that. Okay, so we've got 5, 8, 9, 10, and $10 here for Cooper's mini savings. And we did them all. That is so exciting. So we didn't complete anything today, but I do foresee, like, if we do this, you know, for a whole month, there is obviously going to be, look, oh, you can't even see it because it's probably out of frame, but that dust just goes everywhere. Oh my goodness. But if we were to keep up with this all month long, you know, and do 4 mini Mondays, I would save all of that money. So this is really exciting. It's because I took, there we go. Okay. Took the envelopes out, so now they want to stick together. Just gonna do it individually here, but that was super fun. I love to see like just money being put into envelopes. There's something that is completely gratifying about that, and to know that we are so close to finishing already, like one of them. Like, I can't believe Rachel's got so much love. Where did it go? Oh, it's back here. That's why. We only need $10 more for hers. That is insane. So that is it for my very first mini Monday challenge. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much if you've stuck around to this point. And if you have and you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to click this button to the right side of your screen. It'll automatically subscribe you to my channel. And guys, if you don't already, go follow Cooper over at Purely Budgets. I just love him so much. I just, like, one of these days we're gonna have like the biggest hug ever. I really do love him. So, yep, go show him some love, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.